Hi guys, it's Tessie at Ankali Intel. Welcome to our Excel Beginners series. In this video, we'll be introducing you to Microsoft Excel and the various features in Microsoft Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheets. Excel helps a user to organize data, create charts, and perform calculations. It consists of workbook, and each workbook contains worksheets. In each worksheet, there are columns and rows. In Excel, we have an active cell. An active cell is a cell which is currently selected. It is highlighted by rectangular bars and it is shown in the address bar. So this is the active cell in the address bar. The address bar shows the position of the active cell. We can see here it's in column C and row 3. A column is a vertical set of cells in the Microsoft Excel. So these are the columns, and it is designated in alphabet. In Excel, a single worksheet contains about 16,384 columns in total. A row is an horizontal set of cells, and it is designated in numbers. In Excel, we have over 1 million plus total rows in a single worksheet. A fill and do is a small dot present at the lower right corner of the active cell. So this is a fill and do. It helps to fill numerical values, text series, insert ranges, and insert serial numbers. These are the fill and do. The address bar is a small input bar which is at the left side of the window. So this is the address bar. It helps to show the position of an active cell selected. The formula bar is an input bar below the ribbon. This is the formula bar. It shows the content of an active cell, and a user can also use it to enter a formula in an active cell. The quick access toolbar. This is a toolbar which is often used to quickly access the options which a user frequently uses. We have the save, we have the spelling checker, we have the undo and the redo, and we have the sorting in the quick access toolbar. The ribbon tab contains a bunch of specific option group which further contain options. So these are our ribbon tab. And in this ribbon tab, we have several tabs. In the ribbon tab, we have the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout tab, the formula tab, and each tab contains several options which can be used while working. The status bar. This is the status bar. It is found below at the bottom of the Excel window, and it helps the user once the user starts working with Microsoft Excel. So we've come to the end of our introduction to Microsoft Excel. Stay tuned. Bye.